Hi everyone, in this video I'll be taking you through a process on how I coat my merch for nylon pretty. Please do well to subscribe, comment, like the video and also share to your loved ones. The name of the chemical I'm holding is emulsion. I will take 1 spoon of the emulsion, put it inside a can. Then after that I'll take little of my diachromate and add it into the same can. Then after adding it into the same can, I will use my spoon to mix it together. As you can see the way I'm doing it now, after mixing it, I'll use my spoon to put little of it on my screen. After putting little of it on my screen, I'll use my spatula to spread it round. Anyhow you spread it, so far you just spread it round. Then after spreading it round, you'll be spreading it, then you spread it back and front. Then after spreading it back and front, like the way I'm doing it now, so you'll be spreading it, then turn it and still do the same thing to the other side. So after that, you keep the merch in a dark place and keep the merch under your wardrobe or under your table. So far, don't allow it to be exposed to the ray of light. Just keep it in a dark place. Please do well to subscribe to get notified anytime I post new video. See you in the next class. Bye.